In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a halo ball slam. This is a great functional and full body exercise that now when it comes to equipment, the only thing you need is a slam ball like this. You do not want to use a medicine ball, because if you use a medicine ball and start slamming it on the ground, they're going to eventually break, okay? So try to find balls in your gym that's similar like this one. The one I'm using right now is called a Dynamax, okay? So if you find something similar like this, definitely use it. Now when it comes to the exercise, it's pretty simple. You want to pick up the ball, keep your feet straight, slight bend in the knees, push your chest up, push the butt out, okay? This is a nice athletic stance. Now when it comes to the halo, all right, you want to bring the ball all the way over, okay? When you're bringing the ball like this is really working on your shoulder mobility, all right? And then when it comes to the slam, you want to slam it on each side of your body like this, okay? Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do it again. And as you can see, I'm not twisting the leg or twisting at the hips. The only thing that's moving is the upper part of my body. So I'm going to go ahead and show you from the side so you have an idea how it looks. So like I said, nice athletic stance, pushing the butt out, keeping the chest up. All right, do the halo, slam onto the ground. All right, this is how you do a halo ball slam.